everybody, what's good? It's your boy 302 back with another video, man. And this one gonna be a quick video. It's just I want to give y'all just a few details about the Boss 302 basically, and why I chose this car and things like that. Because you know, for average people, they really think it's just a Coyote. You know, 11 through 14, 15 to 20. Everybody just thinks it's a Coyote, but it's way more than that. Like, we're gonna get into details, but this is not a Coyote. Not by far. It doesn't have Coyote. Anything that a Coyote have, it doesn't have. But you know, stay watching. We're gonna get into it with that.
Give me them titties back, bitch. They call my
Okay, so here we are. Remind me, I'm sweating because, you know, I just came from the gym, whatever. But yeah, all right, so here we are. Boss 302. Okay, I'm gonna say this clearly, I'm gonna say it quietly, I'm gonna say it so everybody can hear. This is not a Coyote. I'm gonna say it again. This is not a 5.0. I'm gonna say it again. This is not a 5.0. So, for those of you that have 5.0s or 5.0s Coyote, whatever you call it, I'm not being mean. I'm not saying I love 5.0s just like everybody else. They look exactly the same, but they are totally different. See this sign right here? This is not a racing decal. This is not a racing decal. Like, this is not like, oh look, here's got colorful stickers on it. No, it's totally different. This is a totally different monster from a Coyote. I love Coyotes. All my friends got Coyotes. I am not shaming Coyotes, but even if you look on the market value, these cars cost more than a Coyote, but a lot of people don't know what they are exactly paying for. So that's why you don't see many Boss 302s. But this is a totally different monster. For one, this car comes with forged internals. So for everybody that asks me, is my engine built? We're not gonna answer that question. But yeah, this comes with forged internals, as in built engine. The engine is built from the factory. Like, if you didn't know that, well, now you know. All Boss 302s, 12 and 13, they come with built engines from the factory. This doesn't come with a regular 5.0 rear end. It comes with a Shelby rear end. This doesn't comes with this comes with adjustable shocks, struts and shocks from the factory. This is factory stuff. Like, this is not like stuff that nobody added. This is all factory. You can adjust the stiffness in the back and in the front to make the ride comfortable or not. This is a road runner engine. That's what they call it. It's called a road runner engine because it is made to run on the road. Like, Boss 302s are the original track car, basically. Before that, well, the 350 has always been out, but the Boss 302 is a track running car. That's what it does. It's made for the track. Now, there's S550s and stuff. Well, this came out in 2012, 2013. So S550s does have IRS and better suspension now, but at this time, 11, 12, 13, at that time, this car was the car. Also, this car comes with Ricardo seats, as you can see. All premium Mustangs come with Ricardo seats, as you can see. Look, it has the Boss 302 logo stitched into it. It's very beautiful, as you can see, here and there. It's nice. They all might not come with it, but everyone I've seen had it. So there you go. All right, now let me see what else we got. Of course, it comes with the MT82. That's no big deal. I ain't really tripping on that like that. All right, cool. Also, these cars are limited, as in they are rare. These cars are numbered. This car has a number, like, it has, like, let me show you. I'll show you. This is like, yes, you can put a Boss 302 manifold on a Coyote, but this is actually, this car actually has a vehicle number, as you can see right here. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but mine is 2384. I don't know if you can see it properly, but these cars are numbered, as in this color right here, performance white. There were only 589 of them made. do your research. Like, this is not, like I said, it's not a GT. There was only 589 of these cars made exactly. I know there have been in accidents and stuff like that, so I'm pretty sure it's not 589 anymore. But that's how many was made at that time. So that's rare enough as it is. Now, what else we got? We have the weight. This car is basically made to race. This car only weighs 3,400 pounds. With me in it, 36. Yeah, I'm 200 pounds. 30, that's 36. Like, now I'm pretty sure it's heavier with the turbos and stuff like that now, but from the factory, that's all you got. 3,400 pounds. That's crazy. This is super light. Like, and of course, imagine if you did like the K member and things like that. This car would be ultra light, like light. But yeah, that's another thing. Like, I'm telling you, it's a lot, man. It's not a GT, I promise you. It's not a GT, and I love GTs. I hate that I keep saying that because S550s also come with forged internals. But this year model 5.0 with the same body style, besides the Shelby, doesn't have forged internals, even though they can still hold a great deal of power. But yeah, you know, just a little bit of information for y'all to get to know, because I don't exactly know who all know about Boss 302s or not, but I'm just trying to tell you that it's a very different car than a regular 5.0. So when you see one of these, especially if it's boosted, get the hell out the way. Because if it is boosted, that means it can hold a lot of power. Now, the number one question of the day is my car built? All I would say was line up and find out. But yeah, it's your boy 302. I'm up out of here. You know, just a quick video to let y'all know that it's just teaching y'all a little lesson about Boss 302s and the difference between them, and how that just doesn't mean that's a sticker. It's more than the sticker that you see. I promise you, it's a totally different monster. Like, it really is. And I would recommend you buy one if it was me. Like, well, they are kind of expensive, but depending on what you are going for. If you are going for a car that can run with C7 ZR1s, as you've seen. Or you looking for cars, you know, just a car that you plan on boosting. If you can shake it, if you can afford it, I would advise you to buy one of these. Now, S550s, of course, are nicer, but Boss 302s are lighter. Like, they are lighter. They are made for this. They are made for the road. They are made to run. So that's just my opinion. If you're looking for a race car, here's the one to go. Most Boss 302s you see always be boosted, and there's a reason why. It isn't because they just like to boost them. It's because they can hold the boost. A lot of these cars make 1,000 horsepower on stock internals. Believe it or not, look up the videos. They will have it. My car will be dynoed soon. And when I put it on a dyno, you will see what it makes. But yeah, this is your boy 302. I'm up out of here, man. Just making a quick video. Put some respect on the boss name, man. Put some respect on it. I'm out of here.
Hey, follow 302 Nightmare. Fucking like, subscribe, and that's it. Comment too, bitch.